Every morning, you step into the shower expecting freshness and renewal. But what if I told you that the water spraying over you might be flowing through a layer of hidden grime? Yes, inside that shiny shower head, limescale is quietly building up, blocking water flow, spreading bacteria, and leaving invisible mineral residue on your skin and hair. The worst part? You might think it's clean, but the truth is, it's been slowly clogging and contaminating for months, maybe years. And yet, with one simple method, you can remove all that buildup without toxic chemicals or expensive replacements. Why limescale forms in your shower head? If you live in an area with hard water, water rich in calcium and magnesium, you've already seen the white chalky residue it leaves behind on faucets, tiles, and glass. But the most dangerous place for limescale is the one you don't often check: inside your shower head. Over time, these minerals build up around the tiny holes, reducing water pressure and even creating an uneven spray. Step 1. Remove the shower head, if possible. The best way to clean your shower head is to remove it completely. Use an adjustable wrench or simply twist it off by hand, depending on the model. Wrap a cloth around the fixture before using tools to avoid scratching it. If it's not removable, don't worry. There's a method that works while it's still attached. We'll get to that soon. Step 2. The natural limescale remover. Forget harsh cleaners and toxic chemicals. The best limescale remover is something you probably already have in your kitchen: white vinegar. Its natural acidity dissolves calcium and magnesium deposits without damaging metal or plastic. Step 3. Soak for maximum effect. If your shower head is removable, place it in a bowl or bucket filled with the vinegar solution. Make sure it's completely submerged and let it soak for at least 2 hours, or overnight for heavy buildup. If your shower head is fixed, fill a sturdy plastic bag with vinegar solution and carefully secure it around the shower head using a rubber band or twist tie. Make sure the holes are completely submerged in the liquid. Leave it for the same amount of time. Step 4. Scrub away remaining deposits. After soaking, most of the limescale will have dissolved. For any stubborn spots, use an old toothbrush to gently scrub around the holes and edges. For blocked holes, you can use a toothpick or sewing needle, but do it gently to avoid widening the openings. Step 5. Rinse and flush. Once clean, rinse the shower head thoroughly under running water to remove any loosened debris and vinegar residue. If removable, reattach it and run hot water for a minute to flush out any remaining particles. Step 6. Preventing future limescale. The bad news is, limescale will always come back if you have hard water. But the good news? You can slow it down. Wipe your shower head dry after use, or run hot water for 30 seconds once a week to help flush out early buildup. Installing a water softener or filter can also make a huge difference, not just for your shower, but for your entire home. Why natural cleaning beats chemicals? Commercial limescale removers often contain strong acids that can corrode metal, damage plastic, or release harmful fumes in your bathroom. Vinegar is safe, cheap, and just as effective. Plus, it's eco-friendly. And here's a bonus. Vinegar also kills bacteria naturally, making your shower water cleaner and safer. The health factor most people ignore. A dirty shower head doesn't just look bad, it can affect your health. Studies have found that unclean shower heads can harbor pathogens that get released into the air in tiny water droplets. Over time, breathing these in can cause respiratory issues, especially for people with asthma or weakened immune systems. That's why this isn't just a cleaning task, it's a health precaution. Your shower is meant to be the most refreshing part of your day, but it can only truly feel that way if the water is flowing clean and pure. Removing limescale from your shower head isn't just about water pressure, it's about protecting your skin, your hair, and your health. And the best part? You can do it in just a few hours with something as simple as vinegar. If this guide opened your eyes to what might be hiding in plain sight, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to The Big Sweep for more emotional, truth-driven cleaning and home care guides that help you live better every day. And don't forget to click the link below to get your 100% free top 10 cleaning products list and emergency speed cleaning checklist. As a bonus, you'll also get access to our free community,